Welcome to the definition of the colon is an important part of the digestive system, and maintaining its health is essential to improve digestion and prevent health problems. There are many natural foods that help cleanse the colon naturally, most notably fruits rich in fiber and nutrients. In this video, we will review the 6 best types of fruits to cleanse the colon naturally. 1. Apples. Apples are one of the best fruits for cleansing the colon thanks to their high content of soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber helps improve bowel movements, while malic acid helps remove toxins. How to use: eat an apple daily or prepare apple juice with a little lemon to improve the effect. 2. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which enhances digestion and helps break down proteins and improve bowel movements. It is also rich in fiber and water, making it a great choice for cleansing the colon. How to use: eat pieces of fresh papaya daily on an empty stomach or as part of breakfast. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi is full of fiber, vitamin C, and enzymes that help improve digestion and cleanse the colon of toxins. Its rich water content also helps in hydrating the body and improving bowel movement. How to use: eat 1 kiwi daily or add it to salads or juices. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants that protect the body from free radicals, and they also contain a high percentage of fiber that helps cleanse the colon and improve digestive system functions. How to use: blueberries can be eaten as a snack or added to yogurt or natural juices. 5. Oranges. Oranges are full of soluble fiber and vitamin C, which helps improve digestion and detoxify the body. Drinking orange juice regularly promotes colon health and contributes to stimulating bowel movement. How to use: drink fresh orange juice daily or eat oranges as a snack. 6. Pineapple. Pineapple contains the enzyme bromelain, which enhances digestion and helps break down excess proteins in the intestines, which contributes to cleansing the colon. How to use: eat fresh pineapple slices or drink pineapple juice regularly to support colon health. Tips: eating these fruits regularly can help improve colon health and cleanse it naturally and safely. If you are looking for natural ways to improve digestion and prevent digestive problems, be sure to include these fruits in your daily diet.